Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Subbuteo goals. Firstly, most Subbuteo goals come with pre-assembled or in a clip together pieces. If folded, gently open the goal frame into its final shape. If the nut isn't attached, hook or loop the nut around the frame pegs or clips and make sure the nut is evenly spread and doesn't sag too much. Tuck in loose edges so they don't interfere with gameplay. And place each goal at the center of the goal line on either end of the Subbuteo pitch. Some versions have slots or holes on the pitch for goal pegs. Align them accordingly, and if the goals are loose, tape or weight them down lightly to avoid movement during play. Just use goalkeeper rods through the back if you're playing with the keeper figures, and make sure the net is tight enough to catch the ball but loose enough to look realistic. You can add the cardboard or foam backboard for extra realism or bounce back. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.